Hello, welcome again. In this video, we will talk about the patients of the doctor and how a doctor can add patients. So there are multiple ways for this. First of all, as you can see that I'm currently in my patients, and this doctor doesn't have any patients right now, and he can add patient from here also. There are multiple options for him, like when if a doctor is being invited by some clinic admin. During the invitation process, the clinic admin can specify a patient for him, or the clinic admin can add a patient on his behalf. These are two things. The third option is his doctor assistant, his particular assistants that we just added in the previous video. That assistant can invite or add a patient on the doctor's behalf, or he can himself add a patient. So also, when the doctor tries to add a patient, he have two options. He can add a new patient. New patient means that he can add a patient that's currently not in the system, or he can invite a patient. And what does invite me? These two have a basic difference, that we will use add a patient when the particular patient is not currently in the system. And if a patient is currently in the system, but he is with some other doctor, and he is currently not the patient of that particular doctor, for the timing, consider I am the doctor. For example, there is a patient who is working with Dr. B, but not with me. What I can do, I can write his email here, and I can invite him to work with me. Okay, so for the timing, we will add a new patient. Let's quickly see how I can do this. Patient, uh, patient K at 350. Again, I have to select the clinic. Also, this is what is this patient identification number. This is the unique patient identification number that he has. So let's add the patient. Okay, as you can see that when now I will go to my patients, you can see that there's a patient that has been added, and he has none. These last and upcoming appointments are empty because it's a new patient and I don't have any such thing with him. Okay, so that was it about adding a new patient. We will see other things in the next video.